Constipation makes stools hard to pass and frequency also reduces. As a rule of thumb, if your bowel movement is less than 3 times a week, then you are constipated. Castor oil can help with constipation relief. It is an age-old remedy to induce bowel movements. In this video, we will analyze whether castor oil is good for constipation or not. Is it safe and what scientific research indicates? We will also discuss how much castor oil is required to ease constipation. So stay tuned to the end. Castor oil is extracted from the castor bean. It has been used as a laxative from the ancient times. Recently, scientists have also studied castor oil and how it helps to poop. All studies have shown similar results. For example, a 2011 study published in the journal Complementary Therapies in Clinical Practice found that castor oil reduces straining and improves constipation symptoms. Study was done on older people who are more prone to constipation. Researchers have also discovered the mechanism that works to ease constipation. The main fatty acid of castor oil, ricinoleic acid, does the job of inducing bowel movements. It binds to the receptors on the smooth muscle cells of intestinal walls. As a result, those muscles contract and push out stool. Other stimulant laxatives also work in the same way. So, how much castor oil is good to relieve constipation? Since castor oil works fast, it is sensible to take during the daytime. A tablespoon or 15 milliliters castor oil is good enough to induce bowel movement. Most people don't like the taste, so it is generally taken with fruit juices. It takes about 2 to 6 hours to pass stools. It may even happen immediately. Castor oil is generally safe for occasional use in adults. But it is not suitable for everyone. It causes uterus contraction, so pregnant women should avoid it. Children below the age of 12 and adults above the age of 60 should also avoid it. It can also interfere with certain bones, heart, antibiotics, blood thinners and other medicines. So, if you are taking any of these medicines for chronic conditions, then take castor oil under the consultation of a doctor. Bottom line is, occasional use of castor oil is good for constipation relief. Pregnant women should avoid it. People who are on medication for any chronic condition should consult a doctor. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.